going? What's up and what's happening there, blessed, beautiful souls? Kiara Cass here today with the Crypto Bless Show. I'm so excited to be here with you guys as usual, as always. Thank you for everything. Well, what a lovely, long, strong end we've had, and definitely got a lot more energy to share and show with you guys. So make sure to stay tuned right to the end of the video. And thank you for being here with me. Appreciate all my subscribers, and thank you all. Guys, you know that I've been doing a lot of cool videos for you over the past little while, and as you can see, a lot of them have very good views. There's a lot of comments on them. I still have to follow up on some of my comments, so yeah, I will get to all of that today. You have a lot of videos coming up, and I'm going to be doing some more videos for you over the course of this week, so make sure to stay right there, stay tuned, and we'll see you now. So you guys know that you can get my Vibe at $30,000 deposit link right there down below in the descriptions, and make sure to get that if you want to trade anything. Guys, I'm going to say to you right now that we're looking very, very heavy in the market, excuse the pun. And yeah, let's go and have a look at that, and let's see what this is all about together. Okay. All right. Well, let's go and see the crypto market cap first. So today, the crypto market cap is sitting at $1.2210 trillion. And we have 1.5% down. The volume is coming down to about 39.5 billion, which is low. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 27,000, just under 28,000. We're down 2.1% for the past 24 hours, but we're up 1.7% for the week, which is great. Ethereum is still sub 1900, which is not a good thing for Ethereum. Then BNB is at 323, XRP at 46 cents, Cardano at 38 cents, Dogecoin at 7.8, Matic at 95 cents. And if you guys didn't watch my Matic video, make sure to go and watch my Matic video over here. It's a very, very beautiful sleeping giant, that coin. Solana, I'm going to be doing another video on Solana so that you guys can check that out. But Solana is a very awesome and healthy project. And Polkadot, 567, Litecoin 8808, and Shiba is now sub the 1000 level, AVAX 1660. So there's my AVAX level that I was talking about, but I think AVAX could come down still a little bit more even. Uni at 528 and Chainlink at 688 and Cosmos at 1094. So Cosmos is coming down a little bit, but that's also okay. Then we have the Fear and Greed indexes, which is now sitting at 55, all the way from yesterday's 63, which is 8 points down, which is heavy, and we're going to see why I keep saying heavy. Now, yesterday I showed you something that Pepe was 100% against Bitcoin, and today we're already 20% lower. Render's down, Cuspa's down, ICP, all of these ones are down. Okay, so yeah, at the end of the day, you can see there's ones that are very green against Bitcoin, which is great. Interesting 2% gain, because that 2% gain is exactly what Bitcoin is down for the day. So there you go. Okay, on the USDT. So you can see that quite clearly and quite nicely. Let's go and have a look at the wow. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame. We had a buy signal here from our buy bot. You can see we basically broke out of this level, hit this level of resistance. We had a huge pullback for support. We didn't close any candles below this purple box, and now we're making our way back up. We're retesting that line. We're probably going to come back up to this level and then retest again and then break out of that zone. And if I go and look at this on your higher time frame, very simply said, guys, on the daily, we currently have a buy candle. But on the RSI, we are looking oversold. So for me, I don't feel like we'll make much more move than up to this level, which will still create a lower high, okay, from that point, which will be very interesting. So, but the one crazy and unfortunate thing here about the dollar is that currently we are making a W pattern, and the breakout level is the blue line, which essentially, if we were to take a target, that would bring us up to this level up here. So very interesting to see what's going on there in the market. And yeah, I guess there's a lot to share here, but when the dollar says buy, you can see that was the weakest point, but and that was right at the top there. So we can still make a pump like this. And the reason I think this is happening is because we've got the Federal Reserve making its interest rate announcements on Wednesday, and plus Fed Powell busy speaking. So I do feel as though there's going to be a lot of volatility in this market, and that volatility will bring us up even to this zone and then bring us back down. So look, I don't think we're going to go straight to the moon from here. I really don't believe so, but there is a lot of space to tell us that we could come up to this level. And guys, if we had to do anything like this, and come up here and then fake back out, then find support, and then come back up to there, then that would create an even bigger W pattern, which then we would cuck ourselves, because essentially this would be the breakout level, and then that would shoot right up to this zone right back up here at the 109.50 level, which is definitely not where we want to see the dollar. And I'm going to tell you guys, if that happens, then we're going to see Bitcoin fall on its ass even more. Okay, so right now, Bitcoin on the daily time frame has got a sell signal. I say the 50 level here on the RSI is very important, and that will bring us down. Okay, I don't believe that we're going to get lower than this level. I think Bitcoin is finding very strong support, and we haven't broken this upward sloping line yet. So yeah, so essentially right now we can see, and I'll confirm it in a day or two after the Fed, but this move here is now invalidated. Okay, so you see how that happens is you predict for a move, but if it's invalidated, then you know it's going to go the opposite way of what you predicted it to go. So huge sell signal, huge candle, not terribly much volume, although there is it is a bit of volume, but not terribly much. And if we're going to look at the Bitcoin dominance on the daily time frame, the Bitcoin dominance also hit resistance. Now that's a double top. Okay, at that point, we're now pulling back here, which means that money is going to start going out of Bitcoin right now. Now, I have to draw this line a little bit further for you guys, just so that you guys can be aware that that will be our point that we need to retest and maybe bounce back up from. And if we can't do that, and we break through this and we come back down here, that means Bitcoin would then be dropping in market cap, which means that it could be healthier for altcoins. Okay, but if you have a look at altcoins right now, you can see that altcoins aren't in a healthy place either. They're in the same place, but altcoins are, and this is the total crypto market cap, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the total market cap is coming to an oversold perspective. So right now, we could essentially break this purple box. If we break this purple box, yes, there's a bit of a level of support here, but the strongest level of support is down here. So that would bring us back down to about I'd say about a $950 billion market cap. So that's still $300 billion of liquidity out of the market cap, which wouldn't be fun at all. Then if you have a look here, you can see here, we had a strong buy. We're still pushing up here on the S&P. I still think we can kind of go up a little bit, but we'll have to see what happens with the Federal Reserve on Wednesday. Honestly, guys, I think that's going to cause a lot of drama. And you can see here, we're pulling up to my level. We're almost there. It's like we just like trying to reach and stretch out. And the other thing on the last chart I wanted to show you is, and I'll do another separate video for you guys on this, so I can share how you build yourself and your portfolio, your long-term portfolio better. But look at the RSI over there. It's busy crossing right now. Okay, and it's pulling up, which means that you should be buying Ethereum with Bitcoin. Okay, so right now, yes, it might not pump all the way to the moon, but you can see that at the very least, we're going to be coming back up there, which is about a 6% move. So yeah, that's on the daily time frame. But if you have to go on your higher time frames, really look at where we're at right now. We're in a solid range here. So make more Bitcoin, make more Ethereum by trading the range from the bottom to the top, bottom to the top, bottom to the top. That's as simple as that, guys. I mean, each move, if it overextends each time, which you can see it doesn't, that's a 43% increase on either your Bitcoin or your Ethereum at each trade. So it's a good trade. And if you have a look at it, I mean, you can literally make, there was one trade, and a few more. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching. Appreciate you all. Love you lots. I got to take this phone call, and we'll see you on the next one.